like this guy, this white car. Let's see. I don't really have it aimed over into that lane very good, but still. 67. Welcome back to my channel. My name is John and you're on the Sky Ones Videos channel. And if you are new,
GPS connected.
If you're new, that's my dash cam. Please hit the subscribe, hit that like button, and put a comment in there. I like to hear from my viewers comments. If I missed anything, if I need to be corrected, or if you just feel the need to troll, well, then we just boot you. No, I'm just anyway, today there's a car show. It's at a brewery, Red Oak Brewery. I'm a little late, very late. My objective here is not to show so much in detail the cars, but the exiting. I mean, come on, that's what you want. You want to see the damn burnouts. Admit it, I know it, I'm the same way. And preferably you want to see the burnouts fail, because I've seen that as well. It's always nice to put fail at the end of the search criteria. Isn't that terrible how we find enjoyment in other people's hardship? Yeah, I don't know. I want to just go there, just check it out. I've been there a long time ago when I was a member of Deep South Mopars. I had to run through the car wash. I don't know if you guys are getting this, but when I park underneath these oak trees, I'm getting like sap or something on my car. It's you can feel it. It's pretty bad. It comes right off with when you get the car washed, but it's nasty. Also brought the freaking radar unit with me. I thought, wouldn't it be fun to put the radar on and see if I could get brake lights on the highway by turning the radar on? Yes, I'm an ass. But come on, that'll be funny, right? Yeah. Come along for the ride. First stop, car wash. So I'm cruising here with the radar hooked up just to see what I'm getting for readings. I'm getting really crazy readings. I'm getting like some of them 64. I got one of them was 94. I don't think they were going 94 at all. 64, that ain't right. Those are too low. I think everybody's got to be doing at least 70, 75 on the other way. And like this guy, this white car. Let's see. I don't really have it aimed over into that lane very good, but still. 67. 85. I might believe 85. So I think when you're like this Corvette, he hit the brakes real quick. So like some cars I don't get at all. Like I didn't even get the Corvette at all. He slowed down, I saw that, but I don't know, this moving radar, if a cop's on the highway, he's running radar, if there's a bunch of cars coming the other way that are with you, I don't think he's gonna be able to see you. Or it's really difficult to get a reading. I guess they could just say anything though, but this is I don't know how they do it. This is like really difficult. Cause there's a group of cars, how do I know which one it is, right? Unless you're all by yourself. And then because of the guardrail, I think if there's a guardrail, it blocks it quite a bit. Cause I don't always get like that red car. He's going pretty good. I didn't get that speed. Let me pause this for a second, turn off the radio. So like if there's a turn, I'm not gonna get the accurate speed. See, it's slower. And then here's a guardrail here. See, there's a guardrail. Well, I guess I did get some stuff. Well, that car's flying right there. Oh, 88. I don't know if you can see the cars. I'll try to do this in post-edit. Okay, so here's this truck coming in the left lane. See if I get him. I don't know, white colors for some reason is. Why would it matter, the color? But I've seen this before where a white vehicle, I wasn't getting the speed at all. So maybe I gotta aim the antenna a little bit, if I had it over the left side. It's supposed to show my patrol speed. It's supposed to show my speed too. I might have that blanked out. 92, so we're going 92. Let me move over a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how they do this stuff. I can understand on an empty road, nobody around. 82. Who's going 82? Oh, this thing is not accurate for anything. I think they can see the. If they look closely, I think they can see my radar unit here in the dash and the antenna. Because I see some people like see it and they pull way over. This is a nice BMW right here. He ain't going that fast. Nobody's going fast. There's like no gas, so everybody's trying to conserve and everything. So that's good. Yeah, I'm navigating to this place here. Looks like it's gonna take me about an hour to get there. So I expected to see people going really fast and I could hit the radar and watch them hit their brake lights, but everyone's going so damn slow. I don't know if it's because of the gas or what's going on. But there's nothing to see here, folks. Anyway, I'm gonna stop and get some lunch. But I can smell this thing. I don't know if the antenna's getting hot or what the deal is with this thing. I mean, I got it off of eBay for $100. It does sort of work. But I just used it to test my radar unit, my radar detector, which I have off because it would drive me crazy. Switching this thing off all the time. I mean, switching on the radar with the radar detector going off would be crazy. It smells like it's burning up, so I'm gonna shut it off, I think. Maybe it's because it's on the dashboard. Alright, so yeah, nothing to see here, folks. Bummer. Epic fail.